Welcome! In this video, we're diving into how to share a page link on Facebook. Whether you want to promote a business page, share a friend's profile, or spread the word about a community page, sharing links is a great way to connect with others. Let's break down the steps so you can do it easily and effectively. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Next, navigate to the page you want to share. You can search for it using the search bar at the top or find it in your newsfeed or favorites. Take your time to ensure you're on the correct page. Once you're on the page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. This will open a menu with several options related to that page. It's a small but powerful button that unlocks more features for you. From the menu that appears, select Share. This will give you different sharing options to choose from. It's a quick way to get the link or send it directly to someone. Finally, tap on Copy Link. This will copy the page URL to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it. If you prefer, you can also send the link directly through Messenger or any other app right from this menu. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a page link on Facebook. Sharing links is a fantastic way to engage with your friends and promote content that matters to you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.